Once upon a time, in a land far away, Nerdy Norm was just having a normal day when he came across a secret lab.
He immediately entered and saw a shelf labeled Top Secret. He went and opened the cabinet and took out the first thing he saw.
Oh my goodness! These shots say they can give exponential superpowers! Then he took the first shot. It was a product of power shot, which means that Norm's exponent was added to the shot's exponent, increasing his exponential power. Ba-ba! Super Norm!
Norm was scared by so much power, so he quickly moved to the next shot, the quotient of powers. This shot took away some of Norm's powers by subtracting some of his exponents through division.
After numerous attempts to get his original power back, Norm's exponential power became negative, thus giving him fractionitis and turning him into a positive fraction. When he realized what he had done, he immediately sought Dr. Dre's help.
Upon meeting Dr. Dre, he explained his situation, and Dr. Dre made a prescription for him to take 3 of his exponential changes for Norm to regain his strength. The changes worked on Norm, and he got his original power back 3-fold.
Norm was so excited that he got his powers back that he ran all the way home and wanted to share them with his girlfriend, Peach. When Norm ran up to hug her, his powers distributed to her, making her an exponential.
For a while, all was well with Norm and Peach, but then she began to become power hungry. This angry behavior scared Norm, so he decided to break up with Peach.
At the end of it all, Norm lost all of his powers. He stood alone in his house and watched himself change for the last time into a 1. Norm then lived for the rest of his life alone with his cats. The end.
Product of powers. The two powers are added together when the two identical base numbers with different exponents are being multiplied together. Quotient power. When a number with an exponential value is being divided by the same number with different exponential value, the quotient is the same base number with exponential value equal to the numerator value minus the denominator value. Negative exponent. A negative exponent will become a positive fraction, putting a 1 over his base with the same exponent with the opposite sign. Power of a power. When a base and its exponent are elevated to another number, the exponents will be multiplied to each other. Power of a product. If 2 or more numbers inside a parenthesis are elevated to another number, that exponent will distribute to every part inside the parenthesis. Power of a quotient. An exponent of a fraction will distribute to both their numerator and the denominator. Zero power. When the exponent of a number is 0, the answer will always be 1.